Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for fishing enthusiasts and home organizers alike. We're talking about the old Cedar Outfitters fish-shaped vertical wall rod rack. If you're looking for the best rod racks for home use, this might just be your perfect match. Stick around as we explore its features, design, and why it could be a game-changer for your fishing gear storage. First off, let's talk features.
This rack combines functionality with a unique design.
Crafted from wood, it's sturdy and designed to hold up to 6 rods or combos. Perfect for organizing various types of fishing rods, whether you're into ice fishing, fly fishing, or surf fishing. What I love about this rack are the adjustable clips.
They allow for a custom fit, ensuring your rods are securely held in place. The proprietary track system adds to the convenience, making assembly a breeze with all hardware included.
Now, let's talk about aesthetics.
This rack stands out with its realistic base fish the med design. The distressed finish gives it a rustic charm, making it not only functional but also a great addition to your decor.
It's a conversation piece that shows off your passion for fishing.
Its vertical orientation is a space saver, perfect for those looking to optimize their storage area. The upper and lower racks accommodate different rod sizes, neatly organizing your collection without taking up valuable floor space.
Let's talk user experience. Assembling this rack is straightforward, even for those less inclined with tools. It comes with clear instructions and all the necessary hardware. Within minutes, you'll have it up on your wall, ready to showcase your fishing rods.
Durability-wise, the wood construction feels solid and built to last.
It's designed to withstand the weight of your rods while keeping them easily accessible. Plus, the adjustable clips ensure a snug fit, minimizing any chance of your rod slipping.
When compared to other rod racks on the market, the old Cedar Outfitters fish-shaped rack stands out not just for its design, but also for its functionality and value. With its current pricing and features, it offers great value for money, especially considering its sturdy build and unique aesthetic.
To wrap it up, if you're looking to elevate your fishing gear storage and add a touch of charm to your space, the old Cedar Outfitters fish-shaped vertical wall rod rack ticks all the boxes.
It's practical, easy to assemble, and looks fantastic on any wall.
If you're interested in getting one for yourself, I've left a link in the description below.
And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, tight lines.